Welcome to Art and More. Today we will learn the A to Z alphabets. Are you ready? Let's start together. A. A for apple. APPLE apple. एप्पल यानी कि सेब. B. B for ball. BALL ball. बॉल यानी कि गेंद. C. C for cat. CAT cat. कैट यानी कि बिल्ली. D. D for dog. DOG dog. Dog यानी कि कुत्ता. E. E for elephant. ELEPHANT elephant. Elephant यानी कि हाथी. F. F for fish. FISH fish. Fish यानी कि मछली. G. G for grapes. GRAPES grapes. Grapes यानी कि अंगूर. H. H for house. HOUSE house. House यानी कि घर. I for ice cream. ICECREAM ice cream. J for joker. JOKER joker. Joker यानी कि विदूषक. K for king. KING king. King यानी कि राजा. L for lemon. LEMON lemon. Lemon यानी कि नींबू. M for monkey. MONKEY monkey. Monkey यानी कि बंदर. N for nest. N-E-S-T, nest. Nest means चिड़ियों का घोंसला. O, O for owl. Owl, O-W-L, owl. Owl यानी कि उल्लू. P, P for peacock. P-E-A-C-O-C-K, peacock. Peacock यानी कि मोर. Q, Q for queen. Q-U-E-E-N, queen. Queen यानी कि रानी. R, R for rabbit. R-A-B-B-I-T, rabbit. Rabbit यानी कि खरगोश. S, S for sun. S-U-N, sun. Sun यानी कि सूरज. T, T for tree. T-R-E-E, tree. Tree यानी कि पेड़. U, U for umbrella. U-M-B-R-E-L-L-A, umbrella यानी कि छाता. V, V for vegetables. V-E-G-E-T-A-B-L-E-S, vegetables यानी सब्जी. W, W for watch. W-A-T-C-H, watch. Watch यानी कि घड़ी. X, X for X-ray. X-R-A-Y, X-ray. Y, Y for yellow. YELLOW, yellow, yellow यानी कि पीला. Z, Z, Z यानी कि zebra. ZEBRA, zebra. Good job, kids. Today we will learn A to Z alphabets with its spelling and its Hindi meaning. Thank you. If you like the video, then like, share and subscribe the video. Please subscribe the Art and More channel for more videos. Thank you.